Hello, good morning. Viper Trading Systems here. All communications from Viper Trading are for educational purposes only. Futures trading does involve risk. There is a risk of loss, and you do trade at your own sole discretion. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's look at some trades here. This is very similar to the other equity trades we took live here today. Nice breakout trade. We took around 8:30 Pacific. Let me show you how this is set up. We get a long signal way over here around 7:20 or so Pacific time. We go into an uptrending move. You see here we have a green background. This is an uptrend. We're trading only the long side. We're looking, for buy entries on pro pullbacks into support. We got our green stealth line here, or breakout trades. Now I want to show you something here. Right around 8 o'clock Pacific, we go into what we call a deep probe retracement on using our stealth indicators here. And what happens is, right in here, we go through a final thrust up to resistance just shy of this 2312 area. And then we go into a little retracement channel. See it pulling back very deeply and actually turning another color. Now here again, this is not a short signal because you have a green background and we're in an uptrend. That's the beauty of these indicators, is it keeps you out of bad trades. You have to patiently wait for this retrace to finish its course, to finish running its course, and then breaking this little trend line to the upside. Okay, and this is called the buying zone. This is a resumption of buying in an uptrend. We call that the opportunity area to get long. And of course, you see we got filled at 2309 live in the market here, 3 contracts, and now we're trailing a stop here at this 15 3/4 area. Now we might actually be getting. By the way, you would put your buy order in here or buy a break of resistance, which happened in here. And what you do, just real quick to go back here, you would come directly below where you got filled, locate your stop dots, which are right here. See the stop dots? And this is where you would put your trailing stop. Your initial stop would go here, and then you can see that as it moves up, you go up, follow it accordingly. Now, excuse me. What it looks like is happening here, and this is why we give it what we call a little wiggle room on the move, is you see how we're doing another little retracement channel kind of right in here. See it? See it happening? It's just happening right now. This is live data. Okay? So what I'm thinking this could be, I'm going to pull this stop up just a little bit. Okay, so what could happen here is we're looking for this to sort of bottom out at support, kind of right in the 17, 18 area, right in here. And then if this in fact was another probe trade, we would look for what we call resumption of buying. So it would push up back towards the highs at 21 3/4. And our buying opportunity zone would be right in this level right here, 23.19. When we put a buy, we're not going to buy because we're already long and we have a stop. But you would put a buy in here, and if you got filled on this, and you put 2 on, your first target is 21 3/4, and your initial stop is just under these dots right here, right here. Now, if you put 2 contracts on and you put your first target here at 21 3/4 near the high of the day, then you would trail the stop on the rest if it followed 3. Now you can see here that it's not actually broken this line yet. So this is why we draw a downtrending channel line. You don't want to get long until you see a resumption of buying. Wherever you get filled, you come directly below it, locate your stop dots, and that's where you put your initial stop. All right? And the reason you want to wait for a resumption of buying is because you never know how far it's going to retrace. It might pull into here, it might bounce, it might go another 5-6 ticks, you never know. But you want to do just like we did over here. See this little downtrend channel? You want to draw a little set of channel lines, and then when she breaks to the upside and you see a resumption of buying, this is where you put your order and get your initial stop in just below it. All right? Well, I hope you got something out of this video, and we'll see you at vipertradingsystems.com. Bye now.